Hey, welcome back to RavenHawkTech. I know it's been a while. Work, sick, stuff. Too long. Didn't read. Anyway, so in this video, I'm just kind of covering the initial. If you guys just saw my Twitter, I just bought myself a 4U wall rack. Basically, I got my 1U Dell R610. I have a Cisco switch. And eventually I'm going to move this big server over to a rack, I think. I might keep it as this. I don't know. But anyway, so I got this closet space. I know, very great. It's a closet. And still filled with some crap that I got to go through. But anyway, it's pretty deep. Well, wide. Not very deep. Hey, cat. That's Ava. So anyway, over around the corner here, we have my breaker panel. So this breaker panel, you have this closet, that closet, goes up through here, through the crawl space, and then that's kind of how I'm going to run my power. I'm going to go up through here, the crawl space, over, down, and run an outlet into this room here. And that's about it for this update video. More coming soon. Hopefully a little more consistency. I keep saying that. I try. I really am. But with work and everything else, I'm new to doing the YouTube. I haven't got it to where I'm, quite there yet. But I'll get some stuff. Alright, if you guys have anything you'd like to see, leave it down in the comments or on my community page. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, which I have a page there. I'll put my stuff probably right here. And subscribe, please, if you want to know more. The more subscribers, I'll end up doing something like, I don't know, maybe I'll blow up some hard drives for you guys or something, I don't know. Share it to your friends, and yeah, like I said, I'm going to be adding more content here, especially once I get my lab reassembled. If you guys have followed me before, I moved my stuff from upstairs and moved it downstairs, and now I'm trying to get just more stuff together. So yeah, stay tuned.